All right, guys, so I got this electrostatic sprayer, which I'm not going to use the electrostatic part. I'm just going to use the normal part. And the reason I'm using it is because it's just easier to do. So I want to show you how I pre-spray. And what you want to do is remember that you want to saturate, but you don't want to oversaturate. When you oversaturate, what happens is wicking. Like you could probably see in this area, there was dirt there and it was pre-sprayed too much, and then it wicked up. So I'm just going to show you the right amount to put on there so you don't have issues like that. So just watch. So right there, it's saturated, but it's not oversaturated. So it's not going to take the spots and stains and go inside. And when you clean it, you'll clean the surface, and then tomorrow it'll wick back up. So that's the perfect amount for like a medium soiled carpet like this. If you see a spot or a stain that's like a Coke spill or coffee or anything like that, there's a tendency for you to just kind of joust it like that. But basically what happens when you do that is you're pushing it all inside. And then later when you clean it, it's not gonna get it all the way from the bottom, like the padding and all that. So it's gonna wick back up in a day or two, and the customer's gonna say, hey, that spot's back. But guess what? It's bigger now. And you're like, how can it be bigger? Well, what happens is when I pre-sprayed this, inside it's this big. So when it wicks up with the residue, it becomes a bigger spot. So anyway, just watch the amount I'm putting down. That is it. And then the other question is, people say, well, I have to give it dwell time. Well, you do, but you don't, because you can start in that cleaner area. You can start back there. So you can just start cleaning, and by the time you come to the traffic area, it's already been enough time for it to work. You can agitate it if you like. You don't have to agitate it. If you have good vacuum and good heat, you can just extract it. If you're using OP machine like this, like a Vibe or a Eco 17 Pro, same amount you would put down and then take a bonnet, and the bonnet will absorb that. If you overspray it, even with the OP machine, what happens is there's gonna be wicking up because it'll get the surface, but it won't get the stuff that you push down inside. So if you have any questions on this, please put it in the comment, and I'll check the comments and reply accordingly. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so it comes in your feed. And stay tuned, there's more stuff coming.